Allah Akbar! Let's go fuck some shit up, left flank style. Coming out. Wait them! You can't run. Hit. Good kill. Keep that up. Give us a shout if you can see anyone. I'm going to move up and pop these two guys, keep them covered. You both killed, yeah? Sorry I ended it so quick for you boys. Couldn't resist. Love my double kills. Right, watch straight ahead, Conan, straight ahead. Yeah? You might have to put some fire down. Let's move into the fire base. Probably better moving up the right side. Yeah, but if we stay put, they might come to us. Left side, they can hit us, but we've more cover. Okay. Which way do you want to go? Left side. Have you got a shot on them guys up the very left hand side? Huh? Good call, Conan, good call. That's alright. Keep them zeros. That's alright. I got you covered, you keep me covered, yeah? Conan. You take right side, I'll get left, or you got a shot on him. Alright, got no shot on him. Oh, I'll get him, I'll get him. Do you think you can cover me if I pull back, then I can turn around and cover you? Yeah. Secret. You ready to give me some fire? Just get his head down. Yeah. Okay, pull back, Conan, pull back! Fuck. Left side, yeah. He's gonna flank us. I see him, I see him. I got him, I got him. Just watch your back. Yeah. Up there, Conan, watch up there. They can hit me while I'm standing up. Yeah. He's moving, he's alright, he's moving. He's moving, he's flanking us. Fuck. Stay there, stay there. Yeah. Alright, just shout a little louder, lad. So light you up. Hold on. Cover the fire. Yeah, he's coming towards us. Stay down, we'll ambush him. think there's one team left. I think so. Wow, that was close. Stay down, stay down. Fuck, it wasn't past us. You hit, you hit, you hit, you hit. Nearly, nearly. Yeah, Ask you, you're firing it too fast. You're firing it too fast. The cold gas.